Imagine that each day is a blank page in the book of your life, and you are the writer who chooses the words, the ink, and the touch that will shape your story. Discipline is not a chain on your spirit. It is a gentle companion, guiding you softly toward the path that suits you. Sometimes it seems hard, sometimes distant and unreachable, but it is not your enemy. It is the hand that holds you when your heart leans toward procrastination, and the candle that lights your way when darkness grows thick. Trick your mind with kindness. Let it see discipline, not as a burden, but as a tender habit that gives you a sense of achievement even before the bigger goal is reached. Start with the tiniest step, even if it feels insignificant. For every small step is a stone in building a mountain of strength and self-reliance. Turn each simple action into a habit, each habit into a companion, and each companion into a friend of your heart. Remember, the mind loves simplicity and reward. Celebrate every achievement, even if small, even if it is just the feeling that you did something for yourself. Make discipline a gentle game, a pleasant journey, a quiet dance between today and tomorrow, between the present and the future. You craft with love and patience. Discipline is the tangible love you give yourself. It is the tenderness you offer your dreams. It is the quiet embrace that guides you toward a better version of yourself each day. Live each day as if you are creating a new sky for yourself, and carry your heart gently. A mind that discovers the joy of discipline begins to love itself more, realizing that strength is not harshness, but softness, and that achievement is not exhausting effort, but a feeling of freedom and peace. Make every moment an opportunity to be gentle with yourself, to plant a beautiful habit, and to cultivate within your mind a love for discipline, not as a heavy duty, but as a flower that slowly blooms in the garden of your heart.